My video guide is about removing the online scam that comes from the site Q3rrassa.click. Q3rrassa.click is a pretty deceptive site that attacks many browsers right now. This website, Q3rrassa.click, tries to mislead you and to scare you into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software. The website Q3rrassa.click says that you visited illegal infected website and that your PC is at risk of being infected by viruses. Then the pop-up tries to make you click on this scan button. Because of that, you may be switched into the full screen mode, and you may simply press escape button on the keyboard to get out of the full screen mode. Anyway, interacting with these malicious pop-ups may lead you to the installation of some potentially unwanted software, and this software will be totally different from the one that was initially advertised. So this so-called software is not even related to any decent security program. It is absolutely malicious. It is potentially unwanted software. Therefore, please be careful. If you see these multiple pop-ups on your screen, it could be the result of some adware on your computer. First thing I recommend you to do is to check the list of the programs, and if you find any suspicious items, simply get rid of them from this list. Uninstall them. I would also recommend that you additionally research your device with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get its fresh version on the website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and begin researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.